Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix too many friends on Snapchat problem. So first thing first, open your Snapchat app, get logged into your account, and if it's saying too many friends on Snapchat, then you actually have to unfriend or block some of your Snapchat friends and then add them back again. For that, tap onto your Bitmoji. Scroll below under friends, tap my friends. In my case, I don't have much friends, but if this list is too long in your device, you have to select one by one and then simply unfriend them. And once you do so, again, go ahead and friend them and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to write a report. For that, tap on the gear icon. Scroll all the way below, then you'll see bugs and suggestions under support and feedback. Here, tap on make a suggestions and select friends. And likewise, simply type in that the friends that you have in Snapchat are all very important, and Snapchat keeps telling you that you have too many friends, but you cannot go and simply remove your friend. So simply make a suggestions. If you have a screenshot showing the problem, you may go ahead, tap on this add attachment and attach it. Once you do so, tap submit. Just like that, wait for a couple business days and Snapchat will email or simply message you back. This is how you can fix your problem.